Hey guys, it's Eric with Eric's Garage AZ coming at you with my beautiful, wonderful wife, Dawn.
Hi.
And we're coming at you from Coral Springs, Florida. We got a really cool car show to do here later with Rockin Rich Bedford down here again in Florida. So stay tuned. Traveling the country the way I get to with Eric's Garage AZ, I oftentimes have an opportunity to check out some really cool car shows. This one with Rockin Rich Bedford was off the chart. Coral Springs, Florida, rocks out the cars, rocks out the people. It was a great event. Well, everybody, it's Eric with Eric's Garage AZ coming at you, and I got Destiny. Hi, Destiny.
Hello.
Say hello, world.
Hello, world.
Yeah, right on. So we are here in Coral, what's the name of the city?
Coral Springs.
Coral Springs, Florida. Check out this really cool-ass car show. And Destiny is the, will you do beer server?
Yes, I am.
The beer server. The beer server extraordinaire. All right, guys, remember, like, subscribe, share. We say drive it like you stole it, bitches. So what do we say at Eric's Garage AZ? We say drive it like you stole it, bitches. See ya.